Hello YouTube, this here's my 100th subscriber video. This is going to be for the giveaway, the silver certificates, the Eisenhower bicentennial, Kennedy bicentennial, and the Mercury dime, all framed, ready to hang in your home, office, place of business, wherever you want to do with it. Alright, as you can see, I'm at Blue Knob State Park. That's a place out that's in Pennsylvania. That's in Bedford County, I believe. So I had to drive a little bit to get here. Don't know nothing about the place, don't know how old it is. I see some picnic areas as I was coming down the road, so I'm going to pull off and try some of them. And on this video here is going to be the one where I'm going to go by the comments. It doesn't matter if you just say hi. As long as you made a comment, you're going to be registered in for the giveaway, which is going to be a week from today. So next Saturday, the drawing is going to be. My granddaughter is going to pick the name out of a hat, bucket, something. She's going to pick a name, and I'm going to record the name being picked, so it's going to be basically live. You'll see that when your name gets called. You have to have your profile got to be public so I can see that you are subscribed to me. I can't let anybody that's not publicly subscribed, private, so I can't let them. That just wouldn't be fair for the other people. I wouldn't think it would be. So if you are subscribed to me, get that thing clicked to public right away so I can see you're on there. Get a comment, get it, a comment out to this video here. Like I said, I don't care if it's just a simple hello. Whatever it is, just do that. I'm going to take every one of them comments. I'm going to print them out, fold them up, put them in a little bucket, box or whatever have you, and it's going to be drawn, and that's going to be the winner. And I will get that out to you as soon as possible. So let's see what we can find here today. And got a pretty good squealer right here. It's been a while since I had one. I've been out here, oh hell, it's going to be better part of 3 hours by now. Very consistent. $70, $71 consistently. Now let's see what we got here. It didn't say it was real deep, couple inches. We dig out a decent sized plug. Plenty of dirt on the end of it, so as to catch it in it. Okay, let's fire up the X pointer. Okay, I can't get it with that either. Let's see what the Fisher says. Okay, the Fisher says it's in the plug. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this other camera. Okay, the Fisher says it's in the plug. I'll run it over and let you guys hear. It's definitely in the plug. It's out of the reach of the X pointer. So what we're going to do, like always, we're going to chip away some of this loose stuff. Because you know we're at least 2 inches from it. Approximately, if the X pointer won't get it on its highest setting. So what we'll do, we'll chip that away. Dump it back in the hole. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to split it open in a couple spots. Okay. Must have been quite shallow. Let's knock off some more of the loose stuff. Dump it back in the hole. Okay. X pointer says it's right in here. So what we're going to do, okay, there it is. I see it. I'll pull this away so you guys can see it also. It's right there. That's a Lincoln. What age? Well, I don't know what to see here. It's a, let me rub it on my pants here. A 60 something. 68. 69D. Really good shape too. As you can see, I barely rubbed that one too, and it's starting to shine. Alrighty, we just found that Lincoln, and right next door to it Inches away, I got another one, but it seems a little deeper. Let you guys hear. Might be a little deeper. Let's get it out of the ground and see what we have. Boy, is it rocky here. Okay, there's a nice sized plug. Okay, I'm going to use my towel for this. Okay, we can fire up the X pointer. Okay, it's out of the reach of the X pointer. Let's see what the Fisher says. Okay, Fisher says it's in the plug. So what we're going to do, we're going to slide that back on that a little bit. I'm going to get the other camera. Alright, the Fisher says it's in the plug. You guys can hear. So what we're going to do, like always, we're going to flake this loose stuff off the top. We get down so much of it off, or get so much of it knocked off rather, then we're just going to dump that back in the hole. Okay, it's over in this corner right here. So open this up. And there it is. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's a Roosevelt dime. Nothing old. I do believe we got a coin spill here. Right next door to the other one. Let you guys hear it. Now you hear that two beeps coming back through? That's going to be either an irregular laying coin, or there's going to be two targets in there. Not as deep as the other one. So let's dig ourselves a plug out, decent size, to catch it in the plug, also in the dirt. Break out the towel. Okay, let's get the X pointer out. Okay, out of the reach of it, in the plug again. So again, what we're going to do, we're going to knock off a bunch of the loose stuff. Okay, Fisher says it's in the plug. Yeah, let you guys hear it. Okay, and it's out of the reach of the X pointer. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this, the shovel, beat off an excessive amount of the ground, loosen it up so we can dump it right back in the hole. Okay, you can see it's off to the side there a little bit. What we're going to do, we're going to break this open. And there it is, I see it. I don't know if you guys can or not. It is right, let me move that out of the way. It is right there. So I'm going to push some dirt away, I'm going to pull it out. So you guys can see it coming out. Another clad dime. Now, there could be another target in here. Because this didn't look like it was laying irregularly in the ground. So what we're going to do, we're going to fill this hole here in. I'm going to check around some more. And yes, we got another one in the same spot. So definitely the coin spill here. It looked like a truck or a car got stuck. Could have been spilled out of there. No, because they're about an inch deep, so I don't know. Not real deep, but it's between the two we just dug. So what we're going to do, we're going to get not a big wide plug, but a deep one. Get the towel. Okay, let's just check it now with the, okay, the fixture says it's in the plug. So let's get out the other camera. Alrighty, the fixture says it's in the plug. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to fire up the X pointer. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to flake off as much as this soil here. Okay, see what the fixture or the X pointer says. Okay, it's right there if you guys can see that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open that up maybe a couple times. Okay, I see it right there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but right there it is, another clad dime. Down there, oh, maybe an inch and a half. Yep, there it is. This place might not be very old. We might not find any silver in here at all. We're still having a good time here, aren't we? Alrighty, we're gonna cook on it today. Here's the scrap I found. Big piece of iron there. Not sure what it's from. I've done it pretty far. A little piece of iron there, and of course the old slod soda can, pop can, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I got one of them. And some coins. We've done some decent with clad today. I've only been out about 3.5 hours or so. Got 2 clad quarters, 3 clad Lincolns, and 4 Rosies. As you remember, I think the 4 Rosies, the majority of this, put it this way, came from one coin spill I found up there. It was just one right after another pouring out. Now the 2 quarters, I forgot to get them on camera because I think I didn't record them. If I did, I apologize. If not, I apologize also, because sometimes I forget to push the record button on this damn camera. Alright, but there we go. That's what we found today. We're getting ready to take off, and hope you guys enjoyed. Alright, YouTube, we're getting ready to take off. Been out here, oh, I don't know, 3.5, 4 hours. Let's see what time it is. Oh, hell, so we're past 6. So I've been out here almost 4 hours. Yeah, a little over 4. Didn't set the world on fire with the finds today. Just some clad, some scrap. That's about all. I hope you guys enjoyed. And this one here is my 100 subscriber video. I'm going to call and be, I guess, enrolled into a giveaway. The sweepstakes, we'll call it. All you gotta do is leave a comment on this video right here. That's it. That's all you gotta do. I don't care if you just say hi, or just say A, or whatever. Well, let's not do that, but say like hey, or great video, or something like that. It don't have to be positive. It don't have to be negative. It could just be a neutral comment, and you're enrolled in the giveaway. And how that giveaway is gonna go, it's gotta go from today, which is Saturday, to next Saturday. So that's gonna be a week. So you guys got a week to get that profile, set off a private and get that damn thing public, so you can get enrolled in this. Because you're not, I don't have a public profile. I just can't let you guys get in on it because I don't even know who you are. Because I probably haven't talked to you. So get that thing set to public. Just leave a simple comment, anything you want to say. Try not to put no damn cursing or nothing in it, because I do have a lot of family people who watch my channel. And I'm getting known for don't you dropping the F-bomb and that so forth, and I don't want that. I don't want that to start. But that was it for today. I'm standing in the park, a lot of trees behind me and stuff. Didn't do too good. This place must have been hit pretty hard. I seen some spots along the way where it looks like some dumbass dug the ground up and didn't really fill the holes back in. I kicked them in a little bit. So stuff like that's what gets us guys to do this detecting, kicked out of places and just not being allowed to detect places to begin with because of people like that. What is so hard about filling the hole back in, I just don't understand that stuff. So hey, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, if you're not swinging it, you're never going to find it. And thank you for watching. And remember to leave a comment in this video for the giveaway, which is going to go on starting today, which is Saturday. This video may go on late this evening or the wee hours of Sunday morning, but I'm still calling it Saturday. But Saturday, I'm out here Saturday, and it's 6 o'clock Saturday evening. So it's going to go from today, which is Saturday, till next Saturday. It's got a week. So everybody, good luck, and thank you for being in with me so far. And the new ones that just jumped on, welcome aboard. And I hope you enjoyed what you're seeing, and stay tuned for more and more exciting digs.